Hello everyone, so I know that it's been a while since I've put up a video, probably about a week or so. I apologize for that. I was out of town for the majority of last week over the weekend, and I didn't get any videos pre-recorded because I was lazy and anxious and trying to pack and all that fun stuff. I wanted to show you guys what I traveled with, how I packed all of my makeup, my beauty items, and what I took with me. So today is a pack with me traveling. I know that I've come back, but I'm also leaving in a couple weeks again. I'll probably have this stuff still packed, and I probably won't bother to take any of it out because I'm just gonna take the exact same stuff. So if you guys wanna see what I took with me and how I packed it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I got this travel case off of Amazon. It was only $20 and I really enjoyed it. I can fit pretty much everything that I need in this bag. I wanted something with a lot of pockets, with different compartments, and this definitely fit those needs. The nice thing is that it also comes with a strap that you can hook onto these little things and carry it as a bag if you want. I just threw mine in a backpack to use as a carry-on, and that worked perfectly. This first little compartment here has a couple different compartments. It has this little spot right here. I used this to keep my jewelry in. I have some earrings that I threw in there. I kept my ring in there. Just a nice little spot to hold on to those. It also does have this pocket over here that fills this entire front space. I would keep my makeup wipes in there. I also kept my little brush cleaner thingy, whatever you want to call it, from Sephora. The little, I don't know what it's called, the mini color switch. I don't know. I'll link it down below if you want to see what that is. So I just kept those things right in there. And then in this pocket right here, I would keep my foundations, concealers, basically all of my liquids that, you know, on the airplane, if they decided to explode, they would be safe in a little baggie. So I kept those right there. If I'm not flying on an airplane, I'll just take these outside of the bag and throw them inside this bag on its own. And then in this main compartment, you have all the good stuff. So right up here is where I would keep all of my brushes. They didn't have a lot of individual small little brush holders, but I just would take, you know, my brushes and put them all inside of a big one. It also is big enough to hold my Real Techniques blush brush. It does have a pretty thick end, bottom, I don't know, to it. It holds that, so that's really nice. And then it just velcros down to keep all of those in place. And then here is the main little compartment right here. It did come with several of these little dividers. I don't know how well you can see that, but there were lots of them, all different shapes, sizes. This is kind of like a styrofoam and cardboard material. It's not the best I don't know, quality. It's not super fancy. Like I said, this was only $20, but for me personally, I wasn't, you know, I don't need a $50 travel bag. This worked well for my needs, and then it has all these little notches in it so that you can remove these and organize it the way that you want it. So like I said, it did come with several pieces smaller than this that you could do sideways as well. So I decided to organize it like this so that I had enough room for my palettes and then for my powders and things like that. So I also got these little baggies. I believe it came in a pack of 6 of baggies like this on Amazon as well. Like I said, I'll link all that down below. In this one, I basically just kept all of my eye stuff. So like my eyebrow pencils, my eyeliners, more eyebrow stuff, my mascaras, liners, my eyelash curlers, things like that. I kept them all in here. And then this other little baggie, I kept all my lip stuff. So I have, you know, a Sephora lipstick, a BareMinerals gloss. I have 2 Nudestix lippies. I have a Jeffree Star lippy, Kat Von D, and the KathleenLights Colourpop lip gloss. So I just threw all of those in here, and I just set them together just like that right on top. Then I have my little mirror that I keep with me. I brought some lashes. Then I have my Smashbox Spotlight highlighter in Pearl. I brought the Tartelette Toasted palette, and then of course I brought the new Colourpop Fame palette that I am super obsessed with. I've been using it like crazy. If you want to see my little mini review and tutorial on it, I'll link it up above and down below if you want to see that. So I just took these and stacked them inside, just something like that. And then right here I kept basically my powders. I kept my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and then I also brought my Makeup Forever Ultra HD finishing powder that I've hit pan on. Go me. So I just put that right there, and then I also brought the Balm Take Home the Bronze bronzer. This is in the shade Oliver. I also took the Catrice Prime the Catrice Prime and Fine Sculpting contouring palette. I really enjoyed the sculpting shade. I haven't really tried the highlight shade too much, but for contour, that is amazing. So I've been taking that one with me. To kind of brighten up my under eyes, I take the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I also really enjoy this. Super cheap. Really like it. So I took that one with me. And then just as a little blush, I felt like it would probably go with just about everything. This is the Party Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party. So it's just a little mini size, and I threw that one in there. I have my Beauty Blender in there, and then I also have the Milk Makeup Highlighting Stick. This is in the shade Lit, and I absolutely love this. I've been super obsessed with it. I've been wearing it basically every time that I do my makeup. My husband got it for me for Mother's Day, and I'm in love with it. So I threw this in there as well. So that's everything I brought with me. Nothing too fancy or crazy, but I actually really enjoy this case. Like I said, it fit really well in just a backpack that I took with me, and I just threw it on as a carry-on with me, or it's my personal item, and it worked great. I really enjoyed it. Alright, and that is everything that I took in my travel bag while I visited some family. I'll have links to everything down below with the bag and the little baggies that I purchased inside them. Like I said, they'll all be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.